A very good evening, Zimbabwe, and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. And this evening, tiri kumbotarisa makuhwa ari kutenderera munyika yeZimbabwe. Kila Zivu has corroborated some of the unconfirmed reports circulating in the gossip cycles. And somewhere down south, a new cabinet is on the horizon. A reminder that power is temporary and loyalty is paramount. An appointed leader must remain faithful to those who entrusted them with power. New cabinet, new leadership, lessons. So, looking at the possibilities of this happening, the probability is so high that this might happen here in Zimbabwe. Although it depends on the strength of those from the other faction, kuti vanenge vakasimba zvakaita sei, and how resisting they will be. Tensions are high at this point in time, and anything might happen, because remember, there is a need to consolidate power, there is a need to consolidate the ground, to solidify the ground for the 2030 agenda, which means this is a possibility anytime. So what is of importance is to note that if you go them going to cabinet, majority of the ministers, which means they have intelligence enough. It's either you can be reshuffled, because reshufflewa urugupiwa mchetura norwa pass rakacheka nyika. So they are very, very careful, especially with their health. So we'll continue to watch and see. 2025 is going to be the most difficult year. We were talking about the reshuffling of the police. It is happening. You have seen the leadership of the police being moved, and that position has been consolidated, which means kuchamiwe kunezvemtemo kwaipa. So I have long said Zivu does not write this type of quality and eloquent English, which has graced this account for many months. He does, however, here and there pop up. Okay, so this issue of English, Zivu vanogara vakaipopotera achitaura kuti no, English is just a language. Yes, I agree with him. Isisu we use English for the sake of communication, not for the sake of being academics or kunzi tinzi tiri fluent or eloquent nayo ayo. Saka tikura chidzidza patagara pasi pemuti. So it is what it is. Tazotanga kuti tadzidza kutaura chirungu papaya tatokura. And imagine kuti uri kuenda kujob interview hausati wakabhotaura chirungu, ndipo pauri kutanga kuda unodzidza kutaura chirungu ipapapo. It's a very, very difficult task. Unosvika imomo chibvunzo yebwe mubvunzo asinganzwisisi kuti varoboti chikwawo manava, iwo kuti uzoti unoipindura sei, it's also another thing. So Team Zimbabwe, on the possibilities of this happening, the probability is so high. However, it depends on the strength of the other faction, and also it depends with the plans. Do they need to degenerate very, very fast? So they will need to test the waters. Early 2025, they will need to test the waters to see kuti faction yevakomana inoresponda sei vakamboizunungusa, which means there is a likelihood that we might see some people being moved around. The biggest problem is hakuna vanhu vacho vekuappointa in critical positions. That is the biggest challenge. Ndosaka uchiona kuti vamwe vanhu vari kuregwa varipo pamapositions, but vanogona kungozviita vakomana vacho. So we'll see kuti ku7 list here 7 was it exhausted or not. Kana isina kuexhaustwa, then there is a possibility. So especially my deputy ministers vari panjada vanogona kungomovwa, because uko kunongoiswa chiro chidzoi zvongonzi pinda, as long as you do what we want. So we'll continue to watch and see. This is something very, very terrible happening in the nation of Zimbabwe. Thank you very much, everyone, for coming. Let us meet another episode, another broadcast. Much love.